Hello, very excited. I'm with my friend Hoima here. We are meeting after a very long time, and Hoima is a fabulous cook.
Hello everyone.
Hey Hoima, lovely to have you here again. Let you know, Hoima is an architect by profession, and she's recently been to China. This new house is absolutely smashing. Let me just show a little bit around. So, how long did it take you to get this space ready?
Space. So I collaborated with an architect, of course, but it took me about a year to build it, like me in project management form. It's good to go back to the profession, create something that is very personal.
Beautiful, so peaceful, and so amazingly well lit with, you can feel the environment, the spring air, everything coming in. Tell us a little bit more about your trip to China. How was that?
So China was actually a work trip. For me, whenever I go to a new place, I'm very, very keen on trying out local food, seeing local architecture. When work took me to China, one of the things that I was very particular about is, I'm not going to go and eat in a KFC or a McDonald's. I'm going to try local Chinese food. And it was an amazing experience. Of course, it helps that I'm a non-vegetarian because I think vegetarians will really struggle. I went to Changsha, which is in Hunan province. So it's the spicy part of China. Food was really hot. Like the first day when I landed, I had a lot of difficulty in ordering my food from the room, but what I got was basically a curry made out of chilies. Okay, and there were tiny bits of meat thrown in, but it was literally like 100 chilies. I loved it. I also tried the hot pot, which is so famous in Hunan province.
Actually, perfect weather, right?
Perfect weather. It was cold. Like the week I went, the week previous to that, it had snowed. So when I went, it was still around my two, 3. That was the temperature.
Good time for hot pot.
Good time, and like my colleagues there took me to a local hot pot place, and it was such fun. I mean, I had never had that hot pot experience. So that whole thing of choosing the meat and choosing the ingredients and throwing it in, and of course there were two options of a very very hot pot and a medium hot pot. So I tried both, and it was such fun. And I, of course, I'm allergic to seafood, so I had to stay away from the delicious spread of seafood there. I still had a great time.
She's made a special dish called Champaran mutton curry.
So there is a story to the Champaran mutton curry and why I like to cook this dish. I had been to Benares last year, and it so happened that when my group mate, we discovered this Champaran place, but I was too sick that day to eat. So whilst all my friends were eating it, I think I tasted a little bit. It was out of the world, but I couldn't eat that day because I was quite sick. I took it upon me on coming back to research this dish.
Wow.
And cook it the original way in the mitti ka handi and in dum. So it takes some good 4 to 5 hours of slow cooking to get the texture right. So hopefully you will like it today.
Of course, it looks delicious, smells absolutely delicious.
Use a lot of whole spices. Champaran has everything whole, like you don't grind the spice and put in it. So it has whole garlic and whole pods of onions and so on, which all get slow cooked without water. And in mustard oil. Right. So how you cook this is you heat mustard oil in a mitti ka handi, and then you mix that hot mustard oil with the mutton and a lot of spices with that hot oil. And you massage all of that inside the mutton, and then you transfer it back into the mitti ka handi and cook it in dum for a good amount of time till the mutton sort of becomes so tender it falls off the bone. So that's the way this has been cooked, and of course with a lot of love poured in. So I hope you'll enjoy it. Mooli ka paratha. This is in season now in Bangalore, and I got fresh moolies from the farmers yesterday, so I didn't want to waste the mooli greens. I've chopped the mooli greens also and mixed that along
That's
with the
interesting.
grated.
I've never tried that.
Yeah.
Let's start. I can't wait to taste. Get the recipe out of her soon.